Tired of tedious, time-consuming, and messy reagent transfers? Worried about the potential for errors? With the automatic solution transfer feature of the Tissue-Tek VIP 6 AI, experience safer, more efficient, and more accurate reagent handling, eliminating the mess and hassle of manual transfers. Say goodbye to manual pouring and hello to a safer lab environment. The VIP 6 AI automates the transfer of your reagents, including paraffin, eliminating the risk of spills, splashes, and exposure to harmful chemicals. Your technicians are protected and the lab stays cleaner. But the benefits extend beyond safety. The automatic solution transfer feature significantly boosts efficiency and productivity. Technicians can now dedicate their time to other critical tasks, while the VIP 6 AI precisely and reliably manages reagent exchanges, saving valuable time and increasing overall productivity. Plus, with the ability to perform transfers overnight or during off-peak hours, the processor is always ready for the next run. Automated transfers not only enhance safety and efficiency, but also ensure precise reagent measurement and volume control, essential for consistent and reliable tissue processing results. And the automatic solution transfer gives you the peace of mind of knowing that you never again have to worry about reagents inadvertently being placed into the wrong station. The automatic solution transfer feature is designed for ease of use. After ensuring your bulk reagent reservoirs are full, initiating a transfer is as simple as pressing the automatic transfer button from the tissue processing screen to transfer during a run, or selecting the automatic transfer tab on the exchange solution screen to transfer during downtime. Choose your reagents, press start, follow the on-screen instructions, and let the VIP 6 AI handle the rest. The VIP 6 AI and its automatic solution transfer, a complete solution for a safer, more efficient, and more accurate histology lab.